What's up, you guys? I'm back today with another vloggy vlog.
Skinny girls weak, them hoes don't compare. Junk in the trunk looking like two pairs.
All I do is stay up all night, losing sleep over you. All I do.
So you guys, I am a little tired. I ain't gonna lie. If my energy is a little down in this video because I'm tired. I've been cooking since last night. I have an event today. Well, a drop off for catering. Yeah, I cook so much food. So much food. Of course, I'm gonna show you guys what I made. Yeah, I made a lot of stuff, so I recommend you go get a snack or something, a little something to hold you over, because you about to get real hungry, okay? So here's what I made for my event today. So yeah, you guys, doesn't that all look so good? I hope that they enjoy it. I really put love into my food, okay? So after we're about to go drop this food off. After that, I'm about to go pick up my new car. You guys, I bought a new car. It's so cute. I can't wait to show you guys. I'm about to get it together. I tried to get it together. I just got out of the shower and tried to get myself ready. I don't have no ponytail on today, no wig. This is my hair right here. You can't see because of my fireplace, but look. My hair is already sweating out. I just went and got a washing set like 3 days ago. But it's so hot and humid here in Florida. Like, I sweat. I'm a sweater. I can't keep my hair straight. But I'm glad I did go get a washing set because I got my ends trimmed. So, you know. But you guys, all hair is good hair as long as it's healthy, right? So yeah, let's go drop this food off. And let's go pick up my new car, right? Okay. Alright, y'all, so I'm on my way to go drop this food off. Alright, I'm in some traffic. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop filming because I'm driving. Later. So yeah, I came down to my lake to give you guys this quick little informal car tour. So here is my car, you guys, my new car. It is steel gray. It looks black, but it's actually super dark gray. Full size 4-door sedan. Look at her. Pretty big, right? Sunroof. Well, actually moonroof. Very, very pretty. Alright, so just like my Jeep, you put your hand behind it to open, you tap the outside to unlock it. So you open the door, you see the Mercedes-Benz chrome, what's that called, the step pad, okay, cream leather interior. Okay, you guys, so here is the inside. I'm trying to give y'all like a tour of my car without giving y'all like a formal tour of my car, okay, because that's just, I don't want to do all that with this one. Look, we out by the lake. See, yo, this lake is filled with alligators, y'all. But anyway, see, there I go. That ADD. So here's the inside. It's nice and comfy and roomy. You guys know I'm tall. I'm like 5'8" and a half, almost 5'9". And look at my legs. I have more than enough room. Let's see my pedicure. Because I'm not one of them. I stay with my feet on. You feel me? Okay. Okay. Just trying to be one of the flyest fat girls you know. Okay. See that? Can you see that? Yeah, you see that. I stay ready, so I have to get ready. Anyway, y'all, it's pretty comfy. You see my legs. It's not like I'm squished in here. I definitely have enough room. You see that? Okay. So here is how it looks inside. Here is the display where you, I guess, control pretty much everything. You guys, I really don't know what to do, like how to do anything in here yet, but I have watched like a few YouTube videos, so I know a little something. Okay, anyway, so here's the drink cup holder, and you can cover it. My car is black cream and the mahogany wood grain, so there you go. Cream seats, black trim, mahogany wood grain, and it's all on the doors too. See, everything is electric. Even these seat belts are electric. When you sit in the car and put your seatbelt on, it like adjusts to you, like they move. Okay, and you adjust the seats here. They go up and down. These are the seat warmers, speakers, all the normal stuff. Okay, the mirrors go in and out when I turn the car off and on. Here is the dash display. I should have wiped that. It's like a little dust. Alright, so you see all that. Standard steering wheel. This right here is like a touch screen, and it controls everything up there. Okay, you see that. This right here, an SOS button. These are the lights. This right here is the little cubby. Oh, let's see, I'm being too rough. It's starting to be gentle. Anyway, the thing you put your sunglasses. This right here is the visor. What I like about this visor is automatically when you open the mirror, this light comes on, which is pretty cool. Alright, my car comes with the moonroof, so look at how big that is. See, it's the double roof. Look at that. Very cool. And it opens all the way. This is how you open it. Right there, when you press down, the shade comes on. And it closes it up. Press it again. The shade's gonna open up. This is sounding like a car tour. Okay, and then it vents. But then you press it again. And it just opens. Wait. Hold on, y'all. Technical difficulties. I'm still learning, y'all. I'm still learning. That's how you do it, y'all. I was pressing it the wrong way. Then you go press that way, and the whole moonroof opens. Alright. Look at that view. Y'all see the palm trees? Alright. We just living our best lives. Okay, honey? Ooh, now let's close that, because I got the air on, y'all. Go on and close that up. Okay. Okay. Right here is a big old center console cubby. Look at that. It's pretty big. Oh, I got a Ziploc bag. Yeah, these is... I had my mask in here. So don't like, it look kind of weird. You open the cubby and you see Ziploc bags and stuff. I had my mask in here. So this cubby is pretty big. I'll have my card here for when I was just at the dealership. Okay. So we got that. So here is the back seat. As you can see, it's pretty roomy. It seats 3 people. Okay, that's the dog's blanket. My bag over there. The dog is actually over there with Ronnie. Chilling. You see her? So back here, you see the air control. You can charge your phone, whatever. Speakers. Back seat. Regular Zegalo. So here's my new car, you guys. So as you can see, I fit in it nicely. I'm not like squished in here. I feel nice and comfy. I fit good, okay? It's gonna take a little time for me to get used to not having an SUV. I look a little messy because I was getting a little emotional. I just feel like so grateful. Like so grateful. Like you guys see, I work hard, but I have an enormous amount of support, and I'm so grateful for that. Thank you for everyone that's bought my seasoning. Like, I've sold hundreds and hundreds of bottles of seasoning. Like, it's crazy. I never knew that, like, it was going to blow up like that. I'm about to come out with a cookbook. First, I'm about to hit you guys with a digital cookbook because a lot of people have been asking for that. So you'll be able to have my cookbook in your phone. So no matter where you are, you can just look up the recipes, and you don't have to like worry about lugging around a book. Next, after that, I'm going to hit you guys with a paper copy of a cookbook. All different recipes. It's not going to be the same recipes in each. But I'm just so grateful for everybody that's bought seasoning from me, for everybody that's ordered catering from me, ordered cakes for me, like, or just supporting my channel, watching my channel, you know, being active on my channel. Like, everything counts and everything matters, and I'm just so grateful. I really am so grateful. Like, I'm not trying to, like, I'm just emotional today, okay? I'm just so grateful. I'm gonna end this vlog here because I already see it's about to go to the left, but I'm just so grateful. Thank you for everything. Don't forget to give me a big like and comment below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to do you, boo. Bye, guys.
Whoa, don't slip up or